In this video, I will show you how to uninstall Valorant. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to get started with this, if you do have the Riot Client opened, what you're going to want to do is close it down first of all. Now, one thing that's really important is you need to actually close it down fully for this to work. Sometimes if you have the Riot Client running in the background, it's not going to allow you to uninstall Valorant. So after closing it down from your desktop, also what you want to do is come down to the bottom right hand corner, click onto this arrow in your taskbar which says show hidden icons, and you should see the Riot Client shown up here. Now what's really important is that you right click onto the Riot Client down here and click onto exit. If you don't do this, as mentioned, you're not going to be able to install Valorant. You're going to get like an error message saying the Riot Client's still running or something like that. To make sure it is fully closed down, also what I would recommend doing is coming back down to your taskbar, right clicking onto an empty space of your taskbar, opening up your task manager and using the search box at the top of your task manager, typing Riot Client into here and just making sure that it doesn't come up as well. Now if Riot Client is coming up in your task manager, what you can do is just go ahead, click onto it from the list, come up to the top, click on end task and make sure that the Riot Client is completely closed down. Now once you've done that, you should now be able to successfully uninstall Valorant, and to do that, come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here type remove programs and then open up add or remove programs underneath best match. Now once you've opened this up, what you need to do is locate Valorant, so you can use the search box at the top and type Valorant, and once you've located Valorant, come to the right hand side of the app, click onto the three dots here which says more options and then click onto uninstall. As you can see, we're going to get a confirmation saying this app and its related info will be uninstalled. Just go ahead and click onto uninstall. If you have followed the steps correctly, as you can see, you're going to get a window like this saying uninstall successful. The game has been successfully uninstalled. So now we can just go ahead, click done. And as you can see, this has been fully uninstalled. If we search for Valorant, it's no longer coming up in installed apps. So that is how to uninstall Valorant. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.